all of my life before that, I was the kid that never got in trouble. It was a huge shock to me. I never thought something like that would happen to me. That could be my future right there. Everything I had hoped to accomplish could be gone just like that. In the days right after the accident, I almost lost all hope. Yeah, it just wasn't a very good time in my life, and I was driving with two of my friends to a basketball game, and they had both been drinking, and they were acting like idiots in the car, like wrestling each other, fighting over, I think, a piece of Zaxby's chicken, if I remember correctly. And I turned around a corner. That was the last thing I remembered. Then the next one I came to, the airbags were out, and I'd crashed the car into a tree. It's almost surreal, like I was in a dream. I don't remember the impact. And that's when, of course, the police were called, and I admitted that I had smoked marijuana earlier in that day. Not right before driving, but earlier in that day. And police officers came into my hospital room. They told me that they weren't going to take me to jail, but they were charging me with DWI. So I said, okay, well, regardless, I'm going to need an attorney for this, whether I'm going to fight the charge or not. I need counsel. I called the number, ended up talking to Gint, and he said, come in for a free consultation. He was very polite and professional, and I ended up liking him a whole lot. I was a little hesitant, but it was a welcoming environment. He was polite, the staff at the reception desk were polite. He was very punctual, he was very professional and quick with answering any questions I had, so I was very reassured and felt more confidence in choosing Minick Law. And he was very direct and thorough with the cross-examination and the questioning. He brought up all the good points, and the judge was a very no-nonsense judge, and at the end she says, okay, I find you responsible for running the stop sign. I'm dismissing the DWI. One of, if not the biggest sense of relief in my life. I mean, because I was underage, it was guaranteed if I was found guilty, I'll lose my license for a year, which would be a huge problem. I'd say I would highly recommend Minick Law.